In this video we're going to replace the batteries in this Flymo Sabre battery pack. This is actually from a hedge trimmer. So at the bottom there, that is actually where it charges, and it's completely dead, and I have of course checked the fuse and the fuse is okay. So this is quite a simple fix, and it's only going to cost about £30 to fix it. If we just undo the zip on the top there, we can then take a look inside. Once it's open, we then have access to the battery pack inside. So I've been on eBay and I bought two of these, and these actually cost about £29 delivered, which is an absolute bargain. So in order to replace the batteries, we need to remove this plastic part, but we can't do that until we've removed the wires. So we're just going to unclip all of those. And it is often easier removing these with a pair of long nose pliers, but what you don't want to do is pull on the actual wire. So we can just remove that like so. So the red goes to red on that side, and then black on that side, and then the one in the middle is just going between the red and the black. That one is a bit stiff. So once we've done that, we can then remove the plastic part from the top there. We can then take the old battery and pull that out. And as you can see, that is a clear sign of a battery that has had its day because it is swollen. You can then take the new battery, put that directly in there, and then take the other one out. Again, that is swollen. So if your battery pack is a little bit different, it will have different batteries in here, but all I did is actually Google for that PS-1242, and on eBay I found the direct replacement batteries. Now we can then place that battery in there, and then we can replace the plastic part on the top there. So we just need to feed those wires through there. And once we've done that, we can remove the protective caps and push the spare connectors back on. And then finally there's just the link wire that goes on there. Once we've done that, all we need to do is zip that back up. I will put a link in the description to the store where I actually picked these batteries up from, and if you're in the UK it might actually help you out. So that's it, it's as simple as that to replace the batteries. I'm now going to go put this on charge, and then we can start using the hedge trimmer again.